hello. Hello, I'm just sewing. I'm just kidding. Hello, this is Aunty Juju here again. And I'm not sewing because this machine somebody gave to me and it's broken. You know, this who give you free sewing machine and then no worker? Stupid man. Huh? Okay, but I'm gonna show you, so in this time, this I shouldn't be showing you, but I only have $2 cash. Somebody tried to steal. What if somebody tried to steal? Nobody tried yet, but I think in my head how I keep this money. So my grandma, she teach me. You get your panty, your underwear, and then you get a material, and then you put it. So inside, okay. But if you no more sewing machine, you put inside, and then you know what you do? You take a stapler. So easy, staple. Make sure pokey side on the outside, so no poke your skin. So it's a 1, and then 2. Oh, sometimes no work. You gotta be nice. Okay, and then 1 more better. Maybe you have a needle and thread, hand sew or something. I don't know. Yeah, you hand sew. But this is, for time. Or if you man, you don't know how to do nothing, then you do this one. And then one more time. So you make like U, the letter U, you staple around like a letter U. Oh no, okay, this one. See, look. And then you can put your money inside of your pocket right here. Oh, look. You put your money inside. So you wear, you wear this panty, and then you have your money inside, hiding. And if somebody try to take, your money, they put in your pants, and you can cry, rape, and then they run away, huh? They cannot steal. If you have a more valuable, you make bigger, you make more big, and then you put everything, stuff inside, and then you walk around. Hey, for the man, maybe you look like you bigger, ha, and then that's what you do. You put all your money inside there until the woman really look, and then she say, hey, you deceive me. But right now you cannot touch anyway, so no worry. Okay, so this one very important because no more money. Everybody no more money. So you better save, because if somebody, try to come inside your house, you better wear your underwear and you put your money inside. Okay? And you check from that man, the man who wanna sign check, that guy. You take the check, you cash, send the check back, cash, and then send check back, and then you put money inside of your panty or your underwear. This is a very smart idea. I teach you. You stay with me, I teach you. Okay? Bye. You better keep joy in your heart. Happy, joy. Oh, I got the joy down in my pants. So funny. Okay,